VideosMoney is a YouTube channel about how to make money. And in this video, we are trying to show our own relatives on how to make money of their own without making them feel unwanted or burdened in the process. Here's a structured approach to help them assess their skills and interests. Have a conversation with them about what they enjoy doing and what they're good at. Identify any potential areas that could be monetized. Educational resources. Introduce them to books, online courses, and seminars that can provide knowledge about money management, entrepreneurship, and investments. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy have a plethora of courses on a variety of topics. Explore various avenues. Traditional employment. Help them with job searches, creating resumes, and preparing for interviews. Freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can be excellent platforms to start. Start a business. If they have a unique idea or skill, guide them through the process of setting up a small business. Investments. Teach them about the stock market, mutual funds, bonds, and real estate investment. Online endeavors. Discuss opportunities like blogging, affiliate marketing, or starting a YouTube channel. E-commerce, dropshipping, or selling products on Amazon or Etsy can be lucrative with the right approach. Budgeting and financial management. Emphasize the importance of managing whatever money they earn. Introduce them to budgeting tools or apps that can help track and manage finances. Networking. Encourage them to network both online and offline. Joining community groups or online forums related to their interests can open up opportunities. Real estate. If you have experience or knowledge in real estate, this can be a lucrative area to explore. Introduce them to concepts of property investment, house flipping, or even becoming a real estate agent. Continuous learning. Stress the importance of always updating their skills and learning new things. The world is constantly changing, and adaptability is key to financial success. Mindset development. Introduce them to self-help and motivational resources. Emphasize the importance of persistence, resilience, and a growth mindset. Hands-on approach. Depending on your relationship and their willingness, consider setting up a joint venture or project. This can serve as a practical lesson where they learn by doing, with you guiding them along the way.